Do you believe me? Do you believe me that I'm a lonely soul? Would you love me? I've been searching, always wanted.
We've arrived at our first camp. Saw a whole bunch of meerkats on the way up, which was quite fun. I'm not even sure where we are, so Lee's going to tell you.
So we just entered Mabua, and we're going to be heading up to our first campsite, which is Lesholaoga, which is right at the top of the park.
Awesome. Hopefully we'll get to see more. What camp are we at?
Lesholaoga.
Lesholaoga, isn't it?
Dave can pronounce this one.
I've got. I don't even know where we're going on our trip, let alone.
Would you love me? I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me? Do you believe me that I'm a lonely soul? Would you love me? I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me?
Tell us about the day, darling.
The day was good. We made it all the way to our campsite, Lesholaoga, something like that. It's an awesome campsite, great view over the pans. We rearranged our whole car finally, so everything's all neat and tidy for tonight. And we've just gone for a little game drive, and yeah, we're going to head back to the pans and have some sundowners.
Very good. And it's about to get extremely cold. Temperatures just dropped 4 degrees in probably the last 10 minutes or so. Another cold night coming up.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your.
So we decided to have a relaxing morning in, stay in camp, have coffee. Heard some jackals call in, next minute a leopard popped out. So now, we're trying to find the sucker. Take 2 of this stupid video. So we found a leopard from the campsite this morning while we were having coffee. It was delightful. We then tried to get in the cars to go and find it. We couldn't find it, unfortunately. So we went back to the campsite, had some more coffee, and now we're heading out. So this morning we woke up, it was 4 degrees, currently on 13, so it's getting warmer. And now I don't know where we're going, so
We're doing this little game drive. We're going to head out towards Kidding Plan. Maybe do a loop around there, see how we feel.
and I've managed to cut her face off because I had face tracking on me. Anyway, we know where we're going. One of us knows where we're going. We found an animal that we can film. Not her. We managed to find a way into the back seat just to take a photo of the kudu. It was an adventure, let's just put it that way. Welcome to my world, everyone. That's what I'm dealing with. The battle continues. We've only been here for about 4 hours. Lee's managed to get to the back and to the front like an Olympic gymnast.
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost.
This is what happens when we think we see a leopard.
I saw something spotted.
On a side note, it's a glorious sunset.
Inside my head.
It's freezing as hell. We decided to sleep and take it easy before we move camp.
I need an angel after what you did, 'cause you were the devil, you mess with my head.
And we are now heading to a new camp. I've been relegated to passenger because apparently I can't drive anymore. But again, like I said earlier, I don't know where we're going.
So we're going to Mapaya campsite. We'll be staying there for the next 2 nights. Hopefully we see some lions.
So yeah, it was bloody freezing last night in the minus degrees. Definitely car had ice on it this morning.
We're up to 11 now.
9:30. So we had a nice chilled morning. No leopard like yesterday, but let's see what we can find.
Inside my head. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips. You're just a ghost inside my head. Oh, you're just a ghost inside